Welcome back, everybody. Today we're doing some fishing on the beach. Little shrimp, little jig head. Nice light leader. Let's see if we can't get some pompano and whiting. Tons of bait. Holy cow. Big old greenbacks too. Monsters. There he is. Oh, there's something. There's a decent whiting. Oh, little small, little small. Little foul hookage. There we go. See ya, buddy. There he is. There he is. Oh yeah. There's a good one. Good fish. Oh yeah, man. Big whiting. Not bad at all, baby. There's a keeper. He's over 12, I think. We get started here. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. It's for me, not for you. Ooh. It's flashing on me. Aaron said, "You don't want this smoke." Bait in here. Split the head off. Try to break off his normal spine. There we go. Incognito, baby. Get it nice and far out there. There we go. Come on, fish. Head might have some cooties. There he is. Oh yeah. That's a good fish. Feels a bit better. Is it a foul hook pinfish? No, it's the Cory. There we go. Oh yeah, good one. Biggest one of the day. All right. Just put the bait. Nah. Crunched it up too hard. Look at this guy. We're gonna fight every time. You're gonna let me have my fish. Nice one. All right. Let's see if we can get out here to the edge. There we go. Messing with it. Hitting. There we go. There's a fish. Feels like the right thing. Oh yeah, man. Whiting all over in here. Immediately. Very nice. Right on the edge of being a keeper. I think we'll let him go though. If we get more desperate later, we'll keep him this size. There actually is no minimum size limit, so. But yeah, good fish, man. Not a bad way to start. Cool little mouth. See you, buddy. Water's nice and clear. It's gonna be a good day. Ka-choom, ka-choom. These dolphin boats are working hard today. There he is. Good fish. Oh yeah. Real heavy. Ooh. Real heavy. Oh yeah. Big old whiting. Oh man. Very nice. That's what I'm talking about. There's a good one there, boys. Couple sandwiches. You just ain't gonna leave well enough alone, are you, boy? Good fish. Try a whole shrimp here. So we get him back into it. All over. There's a fish. Ooh, getting a little bit heavier. There we go. Good whiting. Yeah. Very nice. All right. Not bad at all. Good sandwich. Head hooking them here. I can't slurp it off so easy. Come on, baby. That looked an awful lot like a pompano messing around up there. There he is. There's a fish. Oh yeah. Fighting hard, baby. Fighting hard. Oh, there's the monster whiting. Thought you were pumping it. There's still time. Turn into one. Good whiting. Not bad, not bad. There's something. Oh, it's big. Oh yeah, a real good one. Now we're talking. Monster whiting. Monster whiting, baby. Very nice. Good fish. Hey. Messing around, the birds are gonna take them from me. There we go. Alright. Send me the big one. All kinds of mullet out here. Tickle, tickle. You there? He's there. Oh yeah, getting bigger. He's trying to get bigger. Oh yeah, oh man. Alright. Alright now, fish. I see you. Spunky little boy. We'll let him go. Little bit small compared to what we've been getting. Nice fish. See you, buddy. Get a little bit bigger. I'll invite you home for dinner. That's a take. Oh, stole it. Alright, I'll try a straight hook now and drift them around. So you can't find a pompano like that. Probably not. But you know, nothing ventured, nothing gained. There he is. What is it? Oh, it's a whiting. Huh. Thought it was gonna be pinfish. Right on, man. They're coming up and whacking it. That's legit, man. Didn't know you could free line for them. Yeah, we'll keep him. Sorry, buddy. Got to have a bad day. There it goes. There we go. Alright. Alright, great big old shrimp going out, baby. Strong swimmer. Little jumps, little jumps. Nothing. Oh, there's something messing with him. Come on, fish. There he is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What is it? Nice whiting. Hey, I didn't even think about it. Interesting way to catch whiting. Free line and big shrimp. I'm shocked they aren't bigger. Not bad though. Alright, let's get another one. Alright. Send me the monster. Come on, baby. I know it's out here. Do 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 do. Loo loo loo. Apples and bananas. Loo loo loo. Oh, something already got him. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Another whiting. All right, interesting. So whiting like free line shrimp. Damn. Not great size to him, but he's all right. He's all right. See you, buddy. Checking one down the edge there. Tons of mullet. You could walk on them. Oh, something messing with it. There he is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it feels bigger. Come on, baby. Come on, Papa, no. Oh man, I don't know what this is. It's definitely bigger. That was just a big old whiting. Big old son of a bit. Look at that. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. These are the ones we're after there. Look at him. Too good, man. Too good. All right, y'all. It's gonna do it for me today. It's my last bait. Hope y'all enjoyed watching. We'll wander around the beach some more next time. Hope y'all enjoyed it. We'll see you. See you in the next one. Oh, no, come on. Don't be like that.